Sablay ang bagong staff? Ganito ka rin ba? Nakaka-frustrate ba na walang dumarating na qualified applicant sa mga job posts mo? Alam mo anak, pansin ko yan sa mga business owners na nakakausap ko. Gaya ni Wendy. You see, that was her problem in her cafe. She would put ads like hiring barista, apply now. And yes, people applied, pero most of them just wanted a paycheck. They did not care about community, customer service, or the vibe she wanted sa cafe niya. And then, when they realized when I said, kung gusto mong maka-attract ng right people, you must show your culture. So, she started small. She updated her social media to feature the real stories from her cafe team. Then, she posted photos of staff nights, community events, and even baristas sharing why they love working there. And next, she created a Join Our Team page, highlighting her cafe's mission, community, local pride, and warm service. Alam mo ang resulta, anak. Applicants now applied not just because of salary, but because they wanted to be part of something. One applicant even said, "Gusto kong maging barista dito kasi I feel like it is a family." Etong lesson, anak ha. When you showcase your culture, you filter people even before the interview. The wrong people, they won't even apply. The right ones, those who already believe in your mission, they will come to you. So anak, don't just say we're hiring ha. Ipakita mo kung sino ka. Tell your story, highlight your values, and when you do, hiring becomes easier. And your team, it becomes stronger. Yan naman ang gusto nating mga business owners, di ba? Kaya, let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if we want to avoid common business mistakes, subukan nyo naman na matuto dito sa Business Basics for Business Owners course. Check the link sa comment section.